Hey guys, this is Grandma Cheap and welcome back to my vintage kitchen. I have been, I closed the kitchen for a few days because as you see, we've painted. Trying to give the kitchen a little updated look, and I felt the red was so dark that I decided to lighten it up. And turquoise is a color that was used back in the 50s and 60s. I think even refrigerators and maybe stoves were even turquoise. But I'm updating, had to remove everything from the cabinets, purged old food, and I'm doing the kitchen and the pantry together, so I'm on it. But I didn't film for a few days. Okay, another thing that I want to address is that I want to give a shout out to two of my subscribers that I met in Walmart. It was so fun being recognized, and these two ladies came up to me and said, "Do you do YouTube videos?" So of course I said, "Yes, I'm Grandma Cheap," and they were just the nicest, sweetest. So thank you for subscribing, and thank you also for coming up to me and recognizing me. I felt a little like a celebrity. But their names are Ingrid. Hi Ingrid, love your natural, and hello Rae-Jean. Rae-Jean was her little daughter. I guess she was, I didn't even ask how old she was. About maybe 9 or 10, 11, something like that. 9, 10. But the sweetest, sweetest people, and thank you for supporting the channel. In today's video, I'm going to unpack a gift that I got for Christmas. I haven't even used it yet, and it's the Copper Chef as seen on TV. My daughter in South Carolina has one, and when I visited her last fall, we made use of this Copper Chef. Let me get something to open this here. I just had to have it and haven't used it. Another thing that I'm doing too is purging those kitchen gadgets and utensils and that I had to have and just used it once or twice. That's no good. Let's see what this is. Okay, first of all, I guess I should describe it. It's the Copper Chef 9.5-inch square pan. It has that technology where you can cook on your gas stove, electric stove, or that convection, like a new wave stove. This is the top, I'm sure. Let me get scissors. I'm sorry. I bet you guys thought that the sourdough scared me away, didn't you? It almost did. Okay, this is the top. It is a square glass top with Copper Chef on it, and it has a little steam vent right there. The handle is very well made, soldered on there, and that's that. I also got a cookbook, All Around Cooking with Copper Chef. It's not a whole lot of recipes in here, but I do want to make something out of this Copper Chef. What I was very pleased with is that my son-in-law, Miss MDF husband, would get up and cook us breakfast in the morning, and those eggs were perfectly cooked, and this was the easiest cleanup. Now these are little legs. I also gave my big fry daddy. I gifted that to my friend because this has a fry basket. Okay, so here it is. Beautiful copper looking with this technology that accommodates everything indoor cooking. A nice riveted handle and the handle up front. I really like that. My Pioneer Woman cast iron pan has that same thing. Here's something else. So let me just take my box and put it down. So we have the pan. I think I'm gonna do a video on the egg that doesn't require any oil and the cheese that doesn't stick. Okay, this is the steamer. This is the steamer. I don't know whether or not this blue thing, it is a film. Okay. So you can, no. Oh, it's film on both sides. Glasses, please. If I had a nickel for every time I said, where are my glasses, I'd be set. Okay, I see some little indentations here, and that's probably where you put these little feet. How's everybody doing out there in YouTube land? I hope everything is just peachy keen. We will be having guests this weekend. Okay. From Atlanta. Daughter from Atlanta is coming. Oh. Okay, slide that in and slide this in. Give me a moment until I find my glasses. I'll be okay. I had it upside down. That's why you need glasses. But they have two little slots that you put your feet in, and that will have the steamer apart from the bottom of this pan. And I bet I can use this with crab legs. Okay. Okay, and it just sets right down in there. Now this is the basket, fry basket, And let's see. Boy, I'm telling you, the assembly. And that looks like. Okay. And here is the fry basket. And I don't need anything else because we don't eat a lot of fried food, but I bet some catfish will be in there before you know it. And what is this? Oh, okay, I have a set of 3 knives. So this is Copper Chef knives. I think there's something else that you can get with, oh, love that. With Copper Chef, I forgot what it is, but the extra tools. Oh, I like that. It seems as though it's a large chopper knife. This looks like a bread knife, and this is probably not a paring knife because it's too, oh, that looks like maybe a fillet knife. I'm not sure, but I just want to show you too that I'm accenting my kitchen in copper. I love this. This is a Walmart pepper grinder, and these, of course, I found these in the thrift shop. So that copper goes right with it. So I'm real eager to try out this Copper Chef because you know, it's supposed to cut down on your fatty food calorie intake, and I just really wanted it. So there you go. Again, Ingrid and Rae-Jean, thank you so very much for your support and for coming up to me in Walmart. All of you guys out there, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, be blessed.